Hi all, I just wanted to take a few minutes to walk you through your All About You project. We will be using Adobe Spark for this, so you can see signing in. This is a website that you'll be using. When you go to sign in, you're going to sign in with your CV Google account. Once you put your username and password in, this is going to take you to the main screen. Once here, you are going to click Create a Project, and you're going to go down and click web page. It's very important that you do a web page and not use any other format for this. Okay, so once you click that, you're going to see it's going to take you, it's going to be very blank. This is where you can start to add in your creativity. You can add a photo here, which you can upload a photo. So this could be something of you, or this can be another image that's all about you. What I would do is title it All About Me and your first and last name here in the subtitle. I'm going to take you to the one that I had created. It's not about me. It's just I wanted to show you some of the photos and how to upload some stuff. Okay, as you can see, I did a beach theme here because that is all about me, but use whatever you want for that picture. You see how I titled it. Now there are some themes up here that can change the format of your title here. I like Storybook, but there's some other ones that you can use. Entirely up to you what you would like to use. Okay. So once you get started, you're going to notice that as you scroll down, there's going to be plus signs. The plus sign here is going to give you some options. You will not be using the button and you will not be using the video for this project, but you will be using the text. You can do a single photo, or you can put your photos into a grid, a glide show, or a split screen. What I strongly suggest, you're going to be doing 4 agents of socialization. I would pick one of those agents, and in this particular case, I did family. So I clicked on text, typed in family. Now, when I hit the enter button to go next, it skipped over, and that's okay. There's not much that you can do about that. Just it will look fine whenever you go to present it. And by the way, you're not presenting this to the class, but whenever I am grading your projects, I will put this in the present mode up here. So once you hit the plus sign, the text again, this is where you're going to put your paragraph. And remember, you need thorough coverage. What does that particular agent of socialization mean to you? What is its importance? So, you want to be thorough within this. You can, as you can see when you're typing in, there's some options here. You can bold that. So if you wanted to bold the title of family, you can. Be able to put it there, and you see it stands out. You can do center it. I like centered. It makes it flow a little bit better, however you want to do it. But once you're done with that first agent and explaining it, this is where you're going to want to add your photos. Now, the photos I picked here obviously are not my family. I just pulled in some of Adobe Spark photos, but you can see I used a photo grid for this option. What I am asking you to do with your photos, though, is to add a caption of what is happening within those photos. So just give me a little overview of what those photos are about as I'm kind of reading down through. Okay. Then the next part, you can see I did peer groups here again. I can highlight that and bold it, and that stands out. If I hit that enter button, it's going to skip over. So just hit that plus sign and be able to type in your text again. It'll always go to the left, but then once you're here, you can center it, and that'll be fine. So let me get rid of that. I just wanted to show you a couple ways that photos can be displayed. This is going to be the glide show. Obviously, these are not my friends, but you get an idea of how the photos will appear. You can change the focal point of those photos. So you can pull this down a little bit. Okay, so you're actually showing the faces. Just make sure whatever you do, you're going to hit save. This is where you're going to give me just a little caption of what is happening in that photo. Okay. And then the glide show, as you can see, kind of glides through all the photo options that you have within this. Okay. Now, I do want to take a minute to show you how to share this. Because I've used this before and published this, I'm going to take you back to I'm going to create that web page here again. Okay. And let me add just a photo here real quick. Let me add a beach again, because obviously I love the beach. Let me just add this photo. Takes just a minute, but notice once you start adding stuff, this is where you can share it at any point. So once you're completed with your project, you're going to go up here to this share button. You're going to click publish and share link. And this is where you are going to go down here at the bottom and hit create link. You can also change the title of this and say all about me. Okay. And then create link. Once you are here, and this takes just a sec, you're going to copy this shareable link. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the Schoology, and let me just show you again where it's located. So click on the project. It's also located under the project folder, current event folder there, but you can click off to the side here. Now, of course, you're going to have the submit assignment button here. I don't because I'm the teacher, but click on that, click create, and then paste your link. Please, please, please make sure that before you turn that in, you go up here, okay, and paste your link to make sure it is working properly, okay? Because once I open it, this is how I'm going to see it, okay? And it's going to flow like a presentation in order for me to grade it. If you have any questions, just let me know.